Okay, game. Magkakampi ha, si Marky, si Robin, si Oching, si Alejos, tsaka si Sean.
Dito daw ng mga
Okay, game ha. Okay, 2 points by Alejos. Score 0-2. Oh, uy, sayang, kinaliwa pa naman ni Pascual. Nakuha ni Martin. Nice lead by Martin. Wow! Ang sneaky. Uy, napili. Score 0-4. Okay. Sayang. Nakakadalawang steal na. Okay, ang lakas ng tira ni Sean. Uy! Sayang. Sayang. Robin, no good. Ang bait naman nun. Okay, dito muna ha. Parang natatakot po sila sa bola. Hindi po mangangagat yan. Last 5 minutes. Wow! Score 2-4. Nice shot by Pascual. Okay. Alat ni Kochi. Nice and selfish. Padiska! 2 points by Kirby. Score all 4. Okay, no good.
Pre, okay na?
Pag dead ball. Okay, no good. Two points. Score 4-6. After neto, dead ball after neto. No good. Nakuha. Mukhang diretso. Lumipad. Okay, dead ball, dead ball. Wait lang, labas lang muna. Coaching, ano lang muna. Pre. Score 4-8. Time remaining 3 minutes 43 seconds game. 4 po lamang ng team Borja. Kirby, no good. Rebound by Robin. 2 points by Alejos. Score 4-10. Nice pass, sayang lang hindi nakatansya. Oh. 4-12. At tulin po talaga ng kabilang team. 2 points by Martin. Grabe, lumiko yung bola. Inaantok pa po si Borja. Time remaining 2 minutes 33 seconds first half. Pascual surveying the floor. Nakita ni Marky, hindi pwede yun. Nakuha ni Alejos. Alejos, pinipwersa ni Pascual. 2 minutes 15 seconds, 13 to shoot. Marky, nice drop. 2 points by Borja. 6-14. Okay. Nice. Nice. Nice pick. Sayang lang. Hindi bumord. Okay. 2 points by Alejos. Score 6-14. Good po yan. Good yan. 1 minute 42 seconds. Matumal po ang scoring natin ngayon. Rafael, no good. Pero may foul daw. 1 minute 27 seconds, 14 to shoot. Wow! Umupo po sa ere si Rafael. 8-14. Borja. Nakita si Marky. Marky first try. Oh, good. Nagmamadali Rafael. Naagap. Okay, labas na lang po agad. Oh. 59 seconds remaining. Pascual. Blanca. Last 22 seconds. Okay, no good. Grabe naman yun. Wow! Sir Deal, 2 points. Score 8-16, last 30 seconds. Walo lang po yung inahabol. Shoot din niya. Oh, good. Nakakuha ni CM eh. Last 12 seconds. 9.3 seconds. 9.3 seconds. No good. 2 seconds. Score 8-20. Counted po yun. Hindi ako nagbilang to na. Yung shot clock po natin. Score 8-20. Pag hindi dumating yung dalawa ng SBU, para magiging 6-8. Dito po bola ha, dito. 2 points by Rafael. Score 20-10. Never give up. Mahaba pa po ang oras.
Wow, napilit ni Alejos.
22-10. Nice steal. Lumipad po si Superman. Martin, no good. No good by Robin. 2 points by Borja. 24-10. Nakuha ni CM. Okay, line ball violation. Nakabantay, parang guardia. Score 26-10. 26-10. Time remaining 5 minutes 20 seconds. Wow! Napasigaw. Bad pass by Borja. Okay, no good. Nagmamadali, 2 points. Score 28-12. Ah? 40 na ba yan? Sorry. Sayang. Okay, 2 points. Score 30-14. Time remaining 3 minutes 28 seconds. Okay, no good. Nice read by Sir CM, sayang. Hindi pwede yan. Another screen. 30-16. 32-16. Okay, nice pick. Nice drop. Kirby, no good, sayang. Nagulat, sobrang different. Time remaining 2 minutes 17 seconds. Marking to Borja. Borja, no good. Nice block. Oy, tumama.
16-34. Nice drop. No good. Maraming nangangaliwa ngayon ah. 16-36. Ang lakas lang. Last 44 seconds. Eighteen 38. Last 25 seconds. Ang dami nag-jelly-jelly. Sixteen seconds. Four seconds. Okay. Diretso kayo, Shan. Okay, Team Shan versus Team Baswell. Mga idol, baka po reminder, baka hindi matuloy yung 6 to 9 natin kasi dalawa yung hindi makaka-rate tapos tatlo ata ang hindi lalaro ng 8 to 9. Okay, pwesto na po agad. Okay, back to the ball game. Team Shan versus Team Baswell. Jump lang. Ready pa dyan. Ayun na pala. Okay, game na po. Okay, game na po ah. Okay, nakuha. Alejos, pumeke, kinaliwa, wala. Okay, nice pass. 2 points by Enrico. Score 2-0. Nice. Oh no. Okay, 2 points. Score 4-0. Marty to Sernil, no good. Time remaining 6 minutes 7 seconds. Nice pass, Kendrick. Nagdalawang isip pa pero pasok. Score 6-0. Robin, no good. Nakuha ni Enrico. Enrico to number 2, Baswell. Kinaliwa, no good. Baswell to Baswell. Domingo. Domingo, no good. Okay. Oy! Good yan ang good. Naipasa. Okay, foul down, foul. Time out, Team Baswell. Isa na lang po time out pa, dalawa pa din sa kabila. Score 5-6-0. Time remaining 5 minutes 16 seconds.
Next week na nga ba ako dapat maglalaro? Dami ko na inom, ano ba? Simula last week ng December, nag-iinom na ako eh. Uy!
Okay. No good. Okay, wait. Yun lang. Niresume nyo eh, hindi ko makasalanan nyo.
Good job.
Score 6-2. Okay, game. No good. Number 2, Baswell. Baswell to Baswell. To Enrico.
Nice day, nice day.
Wow, counted. Score 8-2. Nakashoot po sila yung layup ni Sean. Yung layup po, yung wala si Enrico. Oh wait, counted po yun. Wala po nagsabi ng poll kanina eh. Hindi kasi ang concern nyo kanina, kulang kayo ng isa. Wala nagsabi ng may foul. Late goal na po yun, late goal.
Oh, last tawag.
Ang concern nyo po kasi kanina wala yung kasama nyo eh. So, hindi ko kasi... Score 8-2.
Malakas may tawag, sabihin mo.
Malakas po ng tawag. Okay. Brownlee, no good. Nakuha si number 23, Baswell lumipad. Nice rebound by Alejo. Pero nakuha ni Borja. Ang puna. Nice team by Domingo.
Diretso mo!
Oy, unselfish. Nice. Oh! Ang ganda pa naman ng fake na yun. Teto. Mukha nakakaramdam ng tagod ang grupo ni Sean. Sean, 2 points. Score 8-4. Enrico. Pull up, diretso. Sayang lang. Robin, 2 points. Nametruhan. 8-6. Okay, nice pass. No good by Kendrick. Rebound by Kendrick. Oh, nice block. Okay, nakuha ni Sir Neil.
Nice.
Oh, no good. Time remaining. 4 minutes, 10 seconds. Marty to Sherdean. No good. Rebound by Kendrick. Kendrick to number 23. Baswell. Lumipad. No good. Baswell. Malakas lang. Wala pa sa labas yun, pre. Wala pa sa labas. Nandun pa sa loob ng binigay. Nagmamadali, Alejos, nagmamadali. Pinuwersa, tugod lang, pero may foul. Last 3 minutes. Wala po. Nasa labas po yun, ha? Nasa labas ka, pre. Nasa labas ka nung binigay mo. 12-6. Rubin, no good. Rebound by Alejos, no good. Nice rebound by number 2, Baswell. Okay, wait. Tumawag ng labas. Dito naman. Dito naman. Ha? Alin? Hindi, naka-ano siya. Nasa labas na, pre. Dito.
Ilang seconds waited?
Alin?
Ilang seconds?
Hindi. Inbound violation. Ay, ano kayo? Out of bounds. Out of bounds yung tawag ng kalaban. Number 23. Nice. Pinuwersa. Ang ganda. Pumasok. Tira ni Baswell. Score 14-16. Dumulas lang. 17-6. Three. 17-9. Mali ng tagla. Time remaining 1 minute 25 seconds first half.
Screen!
Okay.
Nice foul, nice foul, nice foul.
Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute.
3 points.
Oh, 9. Galing kayo sa 6. No good. Last 50 seconds. Number 2, Baswell ng mamadali. Malakas lang. Okay, 2 points. Parang trend, 17, 11. Hindi pwede yung last 20 seconds. Alejos. Oy, nabla ka ng green. Nag-jelly ace eh. Oy, Blanca, good. Bola ha, bola ha. Bola. 5 seconds. Oy. 3.4 seconds, 3.4. Okay. Hindi po yung pangalawang attempt ng ano hindi na good. Napipi po yung ano eh. Yung speaker. Ba't ganun? Sino po yung una nakakuha ng bola kanina? Ken, sino una nakakuha?
Sila.
Sila.
Second na bola yan. Second.
Ah, hindi ko na ano eh. Hindi, nakakuha. Okay, back to the ball game, ha? Back to the ball game. Change score. Alejos, nagmamadali. Alejos, walang kasabay. Nakuha ni Domingo. Domingo to Enrico to number 2. Balik kay Enrico. Enrico 2 points. Score 11-19. Three! Yun ang inaantay ko kanina pa. 14-19. Oh, 3 points by number 23, Baswell. Score 22-14. Nicely. Wala pa. Wala pa. Okay, dito bola ha. Tumama sa paa. No good. Nagmamadali. Kinaliwag. No good. Nadampot po ni Kendrick. No good. Pero foul muna daw. Enrico, libre. Oh! Ayaw pala ng libre. Uy, Blanca! Pero napaganda. 16-22. Ang ganda nung hangtay, pero mas maganda yung Blanca. Score 16-22. Okay, foul na daw. No good. Nakuha. Oh, oy, no good. Sir Neil, 2 points. Score 18-22. Fourteen seconds to shoot, in advance nila, 14 seconds to shoot. Good, good. Okay, fall down. Uy, hindi napilit. Pero nakuha ni Kendrick. Kendrick, good yan, good, good. Good. Time remaining 3 minutes 10 seconds, 14 to shoot. Robin, 3 points. Score 21-22, isa na lang po hinahabol. Again, no good. Nakuha ni number 23. Kinaliwa, wala. Last touch by number 2, Baswell. Lalamang na ba o hindi pa? Robin, 3 points. 24-22 lamang na po at Team Sean. Seconds to shoot. Cross pass. No good. Patay kayo, lumipad. Lumipad. Pero wala. Nakuha ni Domingo. 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 Pasok pala yun. No good. Nice rebound by Enrico. Okay. Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds. 1 minute 42 seconds. Last quarter. Alejos. 1 minute 34 seconds. 14 to shoot. Okay, tumira. 3 points! 27-22, nag-aapoy ang kamay po ni Robin. Time remaining 1 minute 16 seconds, 16 to shoot. One minute 4 seconds, 14 to shoot. 1 minute 4 seconds, 14 to shoot. Lahat po ng foul, may free throw na. $57. Oh, wait lang, may foul ba? Okay, sige, sige. Wow, nice fake. $27-24, 50 seconds. No need to foul. Tight nila. Nako. No good. Last 40 seconds. Number 23. No good. Last 32 seconds. Last 24 seconds, 29-24. 23 seconds. 20 seconds. Ang ganda naman ang pasa na yun. 14 seconds. 31-24. 5 seconds.